All right, so this tutorial is a really quick way to put audio into your slide or just to get an audio clip if you need it for anything else in school. So you're going to go to this website called vocaroo.com and it's just this. So obviously if you hit this red button, it's going to start recording and you can see that it's flashing red, which means it's recording. If you stop it, you can then listen back to it. It's going to start recording. And you can see that it's flashing red, which means it's recording. If you don't like what you said, because you said recording way too many times, you can do it over. Or if you really like it, you can do save and share. The easiest way to do this is then going to be to download it. So if you hit this download button, it's going to save it right onto your Chromebook. So where you find that is if you come over to this button in the bottom left-hand corner and you go to Files, make sure you're in Downloads, you'll see that this Vocaroo recording is right here. Obviously, you could rename it if you wanted to. For this, I'm just going to leave it. So it's on my Chromebook, but in order to go into my Google Slides, I need my Vocaroo recording to be in my Google Drive. So I'm just going to go to my folder. So I'm in my Drive, Earth Science 2020, and my objects. And I'm just going to drag this into here. And you can see that there's one because I just tried it a minute ago before I recorded this. So now it's in there. After I made the video that I forgot something. Now that the recording is in your drive, you actually need to make it shareable and viewable by other people so that they can hear what you're saying, because it will naturally default to being just private for you. So sorry, I've changed the screen here, but these are all Vocaroo recordings that I've dumped into my recordings drive. And I've renamed them all. So in order to make it viewable and shareable to other people, you're going to right click on it and go to share, and then it'll pop up here. And I've already made this shareable to people in Essex Westford, but yours will probably come up as restricted. So you want to change it, and you can change it to restricted Essex Westford, which means like people with emails in the district, or you can change it to anyone with the link. And then you'll just hit done. And now other people are actually going to be able to hear your recording. And now if you go to your About Me slide, this is where naming it would have gotten important. You can insert audio, and then if this was my newest one, I can just click on it, select, and then here's my voice box. And then you can just try it and make sure it's all set. It's going to start recording, and you can see that it's flashing red, which means it's recording. All right, so there you go.